Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on this 2015 Acura TLX. You're going to find the engine air filter on the driver's side of the engine bay. So let's jump right in. So to remove the cover for the engine air filter is pretty simple. You just have a clip here and a clip over here. You're not going to need any tools. I recommend you always wear gloves whenever working inside the engine bay. So for these clips, you're just gonna push forward like this, push back on that, and then you'll be able to lift this up. And then you'll see in the back over here, you're gonna see that there's going to be a slot right here. This little slot right here. It kind of goes into this cover. So when you're going to go to reinstall it, just make sure that we're gonna push in through these slots first and then push down on the other side. But for now, you can just lift up and pull out the engine air filter. So this is the part number we're going to be using. This is for the engine air filter. I did go to Acura to buy it, but of course it is a Honda part. Once you got the engine filter out of the bag, one thing to note is going to be this little tab right here. This is going to be the tab that's going to be installed facing here. It's for this little slot right here on the engine air filter cover. So you want the slot to be fit somewhere right in here. All right, so to install it, just lift up the cover here with one hand, and you're gonna slide in the filter with the other. Once again, see the little tabs right here. And now to install the air filter. There's that slot I was telling you about earlier. You're gonna wanna make sure it slides in here. And there's also one on the other side. So make sure they both slide into their appropriate slots. And then you can push down, make sure it's fitting properly. See right here, you can see that the clips are meeting up. And over here as well. And that's it, you're all done. Now, if you go to install this cover and these clips seem like excessively difficult to clip in, it typically means that something's not aligned right and the gasket's either getting pinched, it's tweaked, it's twerked somewhere around. So just make sure that these clips, they go in not super easy, but you're not supposed to be like really struggling to clip this on. So it should be just like a nice, easy motion. So if you're really struggling to clip these on, just make sure that the filter is aligned properly all the way around. So that's the end of the video. If you learned something, helped you in any way, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.